Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by entering edit mode and switching to Vertex Select so you can directly manipulate points. Select the vertices you want to join with box or lasso. This isolates the exact geometry. Once selected, make sure normals and duplicate vertices are considered. You may need to remove doubles or set a tiny merge threshold to avoid collapsing nearby geometry. This preparation prevents unexpected topology changes and sets you up to perform the actual join without breaking UVs or shape. Now you perform the merge. Press M to open the merge menu and pick its center, at first, or at last depending on how you want the new vertex positioned. Use Alt plus M or the vertex menu for the same options. This is useful when you need context-aware behavior. If you require exact placement, set the 3D cursor and snap the active vertex to it, or use median to preserve symmetry. These choices affect edge flow and how faces will retriangulate, so pick intentionally. Finish by cleaning up. Recalculate normals and inspect shading to ensure faces look correct, because merged vertices can flip normals or create non-manifold edges. Use merge by distance to remove any lingering duplicates and then run a quick check for engons or poles that might harm subdivision. If something goes wrong, undo and adjust your selection or lower the merge distance. This preserves intended geometry. Once fixed, confirm UVs and modifiers still behave as expected before leaving edit mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.